Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
Hello friends. Today we will learn about a simple list of transport names for kids, easy to learn and understand. One, car. 2, bus. 3, truck. 4, train. 5, bicycle. 6, motorcycle. 7, scooter. 8, jeep. 9, tractor. 10, ambulance. 11, airplane. 12, helicopter. 13, hot air balloon. 14, rocket. 15, jet. 16, boat. 17, ship. 18, submarine. 19, yacht. 20, canoe. 21, tram. 22, metro, subway. 23, rickshaw. 24, van. 25, fire engine.
Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more. Please like the video and subscribe for more.